That constant drip, drip, drip isn't just annoying, it's costing you money and wasting precious water. But don't worry, fixing a leaky faucet is easier than you think. Here's what you'll need: an adjustable wrench, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement washer or cartridge, plumber's tape, and a cloth or rag. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Locate the valves under your sink and twist them clockwise to shut off the water. Remember, righty-tighty. Then, open the faucet to let any remaining water drain out. Step 2. Remove the faucet handle. Look for a small screw hidden under a cap on the handle. Gently pop the cap open, unscrew it, and carefully lift off the handle. Step 3. Take out the cartridge or washer. Once the handle is off, you'll see the valve underneath. Use your wrench to loosen and pull it out. If your faucet uses a washer, you'll spot the rubber washer at the base. Step 4. Replace the worn part. Swap the old washer or cartridge with a new one. For a secure fit, wrap plumber's tape around the threads before reinserting the part. Step 5. Reassemble and test. Put the handle back in place, tighten the screw, and turn the water supply back on. Finally, test your faucet. If there are no leaks, great job, you nailed it. A quick fix like this can save gallons of water and lighten your utility bill. Plus, mastering these little DIY skills can be incredibly empowering. One drip at a time, you're making a difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, stress-free tips to tackle everyday challenges. Happy fixing!